Hello everyone, welcome to TechEQA channel. In this video, we are going to see what are the stuff required for a manual testing interview. If you want to attend a interview for a manual testing, let it be web application testing or mobile application testing, what and all required. Okay, the first step, if you are going for a web application testing, you should know basic web architecture, and along with that, nowadays they started asking about API, and you should know the database knowledge also. So it's like web architecture and API and database knowledge. So these three are most important stuff for a web application manual testing. If you're going for a mobile application testing, you should know what are the different types of mobile apps first, which is like, for example, native application, hybrid application, and how they are building. So I'm not saying you should know how to build. At least you should know how to. You should know what are the steps to build. For example, when they're someone asking in an interview, do you know how to take an Android build? So you can say, yeah, they will give a GitHub code. Maybe we need to take it from Eclipse or Android Studio. We need to build out of it. So that way you have to convey them, so that interviewer will get an okay, he has some basic knowledge. Okay, once he join, he can learn better. That confident he should get. That's how you should convey them. And for mobile application testing, if you don't know about API, better don't attend mobile application testing interview. I don't know about other companies, but most of the companies, they ask basic API questions, or they will ask some question which is related to API. They will say how you will validate the mobile app data, that and all API involved. Okay, so you should know mobile API to go to mobile app. If they are asking for a mobile application openings, if you are going for an interview, you should know API. And database, obviously, you should have the basic knowledge. Database, we are not asking about to write a big query. See, whatever query written, you should understand. You should be able to understand, and try to, when the interviewer asks, try to give them the syntax at least. Okay, so how you will fetch some data. So select star from where that some data condition you have to put. Try to write the condition, so that okay, you know how to get data. Other stuff they will get it from Google. So now everyone says directly in interviews, sir, when I get doubt, I will take from Google, but not select star from the table name. That also, if you are trying to take from Google, then 2 hour work will be 1 day work. Okay, just to avoid this, some basic knowledge you should have. Kind of extensive knowledge, you take it from Google. What else? And nowadays everyone default question, do you have automation knowledge? As you went for a manual testing interview, do you have automation knowledge? So if you are completely unaware of it, just at least study about it. What is that? What tool is used? So when they're asking, you can say, I'm not experienced, even I didn't explore much, but I know we need to do automation with APM. As I don't have programming knowledge, maybe I didn't try it out, but maybe if it is more important, I can learn. So I just aware that we can do with APM for mobile app and Selenium for web app and some other tools, just to give the confidence to them. In future, if they want to do automation, they can manage with you. These are all the technical questions. Even if you guys answer all the technical question, there is most important that some kind of cultural question, some basic question they will ask about your attitude. So with that question you will fail. So always candidate will not fail with technical questions only. So candidate will fail with this kind of attitude question also. Okay, that also more important. Maybe that we can see in some other videos. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel if you like it, and